editor of FinTech Futures and Daily News at Sibos. As you can see, I'm live here in Sibos with the spotlight in the background, people showcasing their products. And I'm here with Jane, COO of BPC. Jane, welcome.
Hello, hi, nice to see you.
Yes, I was wondering, Jane, what is it that you do? What's your day-to-day like?
Well, BPC, we're a payments company. We cover all the functionality from retail payments perspective. And my role within BPC is strategy as well as marketing. So my daily life involves reading a lot of what's happening in the market, speaking to our partners, speaking to analysts, speaking to people internally and figuring out what is the next big thing out there that we can be the first in.
Yeah, and speaking of big things, so what are you guys showcasing?
Well, here at Sibos, I think just for everybody, it's a big opportunity to network, to catch up with your existing clients, to attract new prospects, connect with your partners. So we're showcasing really everything that we have been doing. This year, we also make a particular stress on smart cities. We as a payments company have historically been focusing on the financial sector. We're working with banks, processors, merchants, in order to make the payments business for them efficient, frictionless. And now we have seen that cities really, they face the same problems that financial industry has faced a few years ago. And we believe that we as a payments company are also quite well positioned in solving those problems. Ultimately, looking at the real life of a normal citizen like you and me, what we're faced with daily in terms of commute, in terms of paying your utilities. So, and we have worked with some of the best brains in the space in terms of analytics, with the Young Advisory Group, with the OVUM, and just doing our own research through our global presence, with our clients who span the territory from New Zealand to Panama and everything in the between. We see that a lot of value can be added to the cities just by adding incremental technological changes at a very small level. Smart cities from our perspective, and that's what Smart Cities survey that we have done is showing, are very often built incrementally from bottom up rather than in one big bang greenfield type of a project.
Okay, and then what sets you guys apart?
Well, I think, again, we position ourselves as a payments company. Historically, we have been providing all our services and software as an on-premise solution, so we would sell it on a licensed basis. With the world moving more towards a service-oriented model, we now also deploy our solutions as a service. So basically, if previously we claimed we can do anything in retail payment functionality, but you had to buy it, now we can also say that we can also cover all of the deployment models that would be appropriate for the customer. And so I think the range of the products, the flexibility in deployment, but also our own experience, which is really stretching from running payments infrastructure for banks in Cambodia, which are agency banks or microfinance organization, but also doing big scale legacy replacement projects in tier 1 banks in the Western world.
Yes.
I believe that's the breadth of the experience that nobody else has.
And you mentioned deployment models as well. Do you think that they've changed?
Well, as I said, I believe there is much more focus on design now to have solutions as a service, with a lot of IT budgets being tight, with a lot of clients wanting the services to start immediately, not wanting to spend a lot of time, money and resources on implementation, and then really have on-site team to just look after the IT. Hence, we have also, we appreciate that, and that's why we have also now added software as a service, platform as a service, providing banking as a service as options.
Well, that's really great. Thank you so much for taking your time
Thank
out
you so
to join
much.
us, Jane. Of course, you guys can read the survey. It's on our website at www.fintechfutures.com. And for more, you can also visit BPC's website and also Smart Vista. And thank you so much once again.
Sure.